All right, guys, so we've got Samuel Lawhorn's video coming up today. This is really not the typical truck that we do. And as you can see through the video, this kind of made a bunch of different changes. So we're going to kind of go through all the steps that we did with this truck, from the engine swap. Like I said, the truck originally come in to be, bigger motor, higher horsepower, and do that kind of thing. That's kind of why we brought this project on, and it just kind of grew into a lot of other things, as you'll see. But like I said, the project turned out really well. He ended up super happy with the truck. So
unnecessary wires in this truck.
yeah,
A lot. I don't think our front accessories is gonna work.
don't have the hole in the block. So I need to figure out what accessories he wants to run.
And a water pump. Cause if he wants to keep a certain thing set up, that water pump's different.
Well, it comes with a different one of these that sits the water pump.
Okay.
I think that's a short one. We can get a long one, but I need to call him and see. So we've got at least got that power steering and alternator.
For right now.
Well, I mean, if he doesn't end up wanting to run air conditioning, then we could just run the stuff that was on that.
Right. Shotgun. Is there any air coming out of it?
I don't know. I can't do both.
You just feel it?
My finger's not that far down in there.
So the blue truck is pretty well done now. End up having to wait on a couple parts, but front brakes are done, rear brakes are done. Truck's ready to get wheels put on it, bleed the brakes, and it's ready to roll. for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.